Taurus 2020 Horoscope. A look at the year ahead. Taurus Horoscope 2020 predicts that you will want to get back into the swing of things. Last year you were likely to have to deal with many changes. And this year you are likely to want to get your life back to where it usually is. Your year is likely to be steady so long as you learn how to pace yourself. You will have to consider many things this year when it comes to making changes. This may make it hard to stay focused, but you need to try your hardest. Taurus zodiac people are born between April 21st and May 21st. Taurus people are generally kind-hearted and friendly. They care deeply about other people, but they also care about their advancement. They will work hard to accomplish their goals, and they will have to, as they are extremely ambitious people. At times, they can get jealous and stubborn, but who doesn't? These traits will help to mold the Taurus person's horoscope for 2020 and the changes that they make during the year. Let us find out if 2020 good for Taurus. Taurus 2020 love predictions. Taurus 2020 love forecasts suggest your love life will stabilize this year. You will find harmony with yourself and your partner in 2020. This year is a good time to find out whatever it is that you want out of your relationship. While you may not feel comfortable making changes in your relationship, but it will help in the long run. There will be more subtle changes this year than large ones. If you are single, then this might be a good time to work on your romantic skills. Having a charming attitude and a pleasant disposition can get you far with anyone. Here are tips to dating a Taurus. You may relate to a different element from what your sun sign, zodiac sign element is. Take this in-depth 4 elements personality quiz to understand it. Try to put aside some of your boring daily routine activities and trade them in for new and exciting things to spice up your relationship. It is also important to strengthen your bonds with your friends and family this year. Don't be too impulsive, be subtle. You can help most simply without seeming too pushy. The littlest things can make the biggest changes in many relationships. Then you don't have to wonder if Taurus will get married in 2020 or if Taurus will have a baby in 2020. Taurus career prospects for 2020 astrology predictions 2020 for Taurus predict that you will need to act especially professional this year if you want to succeed. You will be busy. You will be pretty booked all year. This is great if you have your own business, but it can also be stressful at times. It would be ideal if you had a job where you got to think creatively. There is room for creative thinking in nearly every job. So try to find out where you can use your creative thinking at work. Taurus finance 2020 forecasts. Taurus, while you may not want to think about last year, it is sure to affect your finances this year. Try to repair any damage you may have made last year before you treat yourself this year, especially during the 2020 Mercury retrograde. Health horoscope for the bull. Make sure that you make the right choices, even if it takes a while for you to make them. You will also need to work hard to manage your time and money. Managing your health this year is also important, Taurus. Try to get some exercise routine going and try to eat a balanced diet so that you can stay as healthy as possible. 2020 forecasts for Taurus birthdays. This year the bull people are likely to be busy and a bit confused about what they should do to make their year as great as possible. You should try to improve yourself this year. When you don't know what to do, ask a friend.